Nangaman Ladi, and welcome to Ask Aunty. Aunty Munya, question today is around cultural protocols. Why do we warn Indigenous people that there might be images and voices of the people deceased?
Well, the simple answer to that, Carla, is people don't want to be surprised all of a sudden. So it's warning them in advance that there's a possibility that someone they know is going to be represented up on screen. But a more deeper realization, Carla, is that people believe that the spirit of someone can be possessed in a photograph or on film. And so that's preventing them from moving on and going toward Dreamtime. Back into Dreamtime. So it's for all of those reasons that the protocol is there.
Thanks. Ask Aunty.